Number 4, get off your back. When you sleep on your back, known as supine, gravity pulls your tongue backwards and narrows the airway in your throat. Your mouth may also open, and as it does so, your jaw moves downwards and backwards, making the airway narrower still. And no, a chin strap is not the answer. There are various ways to train yourself not to sleep on your back. This is known as positional therapy. When sleep apnea is ruled out, snorers may find positional therapy a useful addition to a prescription, custom-made oral appliance. For those diagnosed with sleep apnea and using PAP, positive airway pressure therapy, watch the video about prescription treatments further down the page. Positional therapy may reduce the incidence and the length of sleep apneic episodes.